Meaning of Frederick Delius.
Frederick Delius.
Frederick Delius.
Frederick Delius.
Frederick Delius. Frederick Delius was a British composer who lived from 1862 to 1934. He is known for his unique style, which combined Impressionism and Romanticism with elements of English folk music. His works include operas, orchestral pieces, chamber music, and songs. Delius suffered from syphilis, which left him blind and paralyzed in his later years, but he continued to compose with the help of his amanuensis. Today, Delius is considered one of the most important British composers of the early 20th century, and his music is still performed and recorded around the world.